Hello, my name is Mark Angeli. I've been in Cheyenne for the last 5 years, and I am a co-publisher of Cheyenne Living Magazine. I have been literally all over the map of the United States, lived in many wonderful places, lived in South Miami, didn't invite Hurricane Andrew, but survived Hurricane Andrew. I had an office in New York City, 10th floor, but I was raised in a small town. I always carried my small town values with me wherever it was that I went, and had absolutely no problems talking with people. Those small town values really brings a lot of things into focus, and it brings into focus the values of Cheyenne, Wyoming, and why I love it so much. It's like no other place. When I came here, I knew that this was home, and it's like no other place. The wind blows, but also we have fresh air. So because of the wind blowing, we have fresh air. It's a great place. High morals, high values. The people are wonderful. It's a small town, but it's a large town. You have the best of both worlds here, and that's why I love Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is the magazine that we publish, my wife and I, and it goes out to neighborhoods in Cheyenne, Wyoming. We've actually just passed our 1-year anniversary. Things are going great. It's a wonderful magazine. It's a neighborhood magazine, so we feature families on the front and a story about them on the inside. And we really promote our local businesses, and that's really what it's about. Bringing people together is what we do.